Hello and welcome to the Kidder Matthews Monthly Multifamily Update. This month I'll be summarizing our latest market report and making some forecasts for the 2022 apartment market. From our report, what stood out the very most was the cap rate compression the region experienced over the last few years. Historically, the urban market has traded at much lower cap rates than the suburban. As you can see on the right-hand side of the graph, these markets have nearly normalized, and that's why we think Seattle is a great buy right now. Our next insight was that urban core rental rates exceeded pre-pandemic levels in 2021. What was interesting is very little of the workforce has returned to downtown, but vacancy rates now are lowest they've been in the last 8 years. Not only was the recovery in 2021 great for the region, we also outpaced many other urban markets across the country with 14% rent growth. As you can see in this table, price per unit and price per square foot in the core is still below 2019 levels, but 2021 was a very robust sales year, setting all-time historic cap rate lows at 3.8%. For our 2022 forecast, we believe there will be massive rent growth in the core as many big businesses start returning to the downtown areas. We also believe that moving forward, it's Seattle plus Bellevue, not Seattle versus Bellevue. While investors have made Bellevue the highest demand market in the nation, renters still choose Seattle over Bellevue many times over. And lastly, we predict robust sales in 2022 and recommend to sellers that are considering it to get in while the getting's good. As interest rates rise, so will cap rates. And for the long-term forecast, we think the urban market has a long way to go in growth. And we'll laugh at all the comments in 2020 that the urban markets could be dead. And lastly, we predict that we'll continue to see the politics in Seattle improve, but the city of Seattle will always be dealing with social issues. So some benefits and drawbacks for landlords here. Thank you for tuning in for this month's update, and remember to download the full report on our website.